EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchitore with your outlook for October 22nd, 2024. It is Tuesday, and the Tuesday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated. Colder weather will be here before you know it, and it's time to start thinking about freshening up that family room for those Friday nights on the couch binging your favorite TV shows. Or how about turning that man cave into the colors of your favorite sports team? Let them help you with any interior project this coming winter. They are family owned and operated with over 40 years in business, so you can't go wrong with their exceptional attention to detail and great customer service. Servicing the Southeast PA counties of Montgomery, Bucks, and Chester. Call them now to schedule a free estimate at the phone number above me here in the video, 484-571-9233, and mention EPAWA to get 15% off the total cost of any job that is scheduled between December and March of this coming winter. They are Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated, proud sponsor of the Tuesday video forecast. So we know it's going to be, mostly sunny for most of the stretch this week. That has not changed. We're going to go over some other things that there are going to be changes this week with temperatures, and we're going to look at some longer-term stuff here today. So we have mostly sunny skies today. Today's going to be the peak heating day of this current warm stretch, with temperatures in the many areas are going to be in the 80s today, maybe a degree or two warmer, whatever you were yesterday. Even our northern areas up there in the upper 70s there. So southeastern areas near Philadelphia will be near record highs. The record high in Philadelphia today is 83, and I think you have a good shot at taking that down or at least tying it. But there'll be several records across the region that will be challenged at the very least. So it's going to be a very warm day, and we'll have a light southerly wind today. The humidity won't be too high, and this isn't the same thing as July 84, right? So if you're going to have 84 degrees today, it's going to be hot. Don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be like super humid and all that stuff. So it's not going to be as unbearable. Yesterday we had temperatures in the Lehigh Valley, where I'm at, we had temperatures getting to the lower 80s yesterday, and it was, we had low humidity, so it wasn't bad at all. And then, of course, once you hit evening, radiational cooling is a lot stronger this time of year than it is, a month or two ago. So the temperatures drop off very, very quickly, and you actually get chilly in the evenings if you're out walking the dog or just going for a walk or whatever you're doing. So just keep that in mind. It will be going down into the upper 40s to near 50 overnight tonight, so not too terrible, but it will be certainly getting chilly pretty quickly. So mostly sunny skies today, mostly sunny again Wednesday. We do have a cold front that's going to approach the region, and this is going to fall apart. Unfortunately, we don't have any rain really projected with this, except for maybe nearest the New York-Pennsylvania border, north of the I-80 corridor. You might get a few showers out of this, but don't get too excited. This is going to be overnight Wednesday night, and this is out by Thursday morning. So Thursday is going to be a much cooler day. Tomorrow is still warm, just not quite as warm as today. 76 to 80 is the spread on Wednesday. Thursday, we're talking about lower to middle 60s, so it's a big difference in temperature going to Thursday. And then Friday, it's pretty much that same idea, maybe a degree or two warmer, but it's still going to be kind of near average for this time of year. We have another cold front coming at us on Saturday. This is also going to fall apart. Hard to see here, but there is a cold front with this sitting down here like this, and it's going to move through overnight, so whatever showers are with it wane, and you get partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight farther east. Can't rule out a stray shower maybe in central PA before this falls apart, but again, don't get excited. We don't have anything really exciting with this front either. And the only difference is, ahead of it on Saturday, we'll get warm up into the mid to maybe even upper 60s for highs here on Saturday. And then once we get to Sunday with this trough settling in, mostly sunny skies Sunday and Monday, but we're back in the 50s, upper 50s for highs. It looks like 55 to 60 degree range. It looks like for a couple of days in the Sunday Monday timeframe to end the 7-day forecast window. As far as temperatures, here's what we're going to be in a roller coaster ride. So if you don't like the temperatures that you have right now, and you want the more autumn-like temperatures, you only have to wait a few days, and you're going to have those chances. We have that chance coming here at the end of the week. It's slightly below average temperatures Thursday and Friday. Then it warms up to near average on Saturday. We got another reinforcing trough coming in for Sunday and Monday, as you can see here. But then we have warmth coming back in again. That's going to be at the very tail end of the month and to start the month of November. Now, these are well above average temperatures still, but you got to remember temperatures are coming down about 3 degrees per week. So average high, so you're probably not getting back into the 80s. Not impossible, but you're every time you get one of these anomalous heat waves, they're going to be, or if you want to call it that, It's not a heat wave because a heat wave is 90 or better for 3 straight days, but you get the point. Any of these warm stretches are going to be less impactful each time and a little bit lower each time because the further you go into autumn, normal highs are coming down. So this is all relative to average. Now, as far as precipitation is concerned, the European model is suggesting as we get toward Halloween, there's a cold front coming at us. We'll keep our fingers crossed with this. It's not a lot, but at least it's something it's showing, and this is way out there. That would be right around Halloween or maybe early November. And taking a look at longer-term precipitation, nothing through the end of the month until you get to the very tail end of the month. Here's Halloween right here. You get some precipitation possibly starting coming into the region, and then that might hang around for a little bit in the first week of November with some additional chances for precipitation. So it's going to be a little while. Much of the remainder of this month, some of you have not gotten any rain at all in this entire month. And there's some areas that are going to challenge all-time records for consecutive dry days. Like Philadelphia, I think only needs like 5 days yet, and they'll tie that record. So there's some places in the region will take a little longer than that, but there is the opportunity for some turnaround a little bit, at least some rain, not a lot, but something to get some precipitation in here, either from the 31st all the way through about the first week of November. We'll keep our fingers crossed for that, but this is a long way out here to really take seriously right now. Just something to keep on the back burner. But in the meantime, you're going to have delightful conditions with mostly sunny skies dominating for the foreseeable future, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marterstadt as your outlook for October 22nd, 2024. Have a great Tuesday.